So I seen this question a couple of times now. So of course I figured this has to be a video. I gotta make a video about this. I gotta let people know the real deal when it comes to Infinity processing system. All right. So one question that I get, that I've gotten a couple times is this a network marketing scheme? Is this multi-level marketing? All right. Now, you know, I've done several videos on network marketing and multi-level companies and everything. I have my opinions on it, but just to be clear, Infinity processing system is not a network marketing opportunity. It is not a multi-level scheme or pyramid. It's not. The system is very, very simple. All right. Infinity processing system, or IPS, it is a online learning platform. It teaches you how to make money, how to promote affiliate products on all of the major social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. It even teaches you how to make money using paid ads, free ads, and Craigslist, right? And it's always, training is always being added to the system, to the program, right? So this is what you offer people. This is what the product is. It's online training, okay? Now, depending on what level a person comes in, I think that's what throws people off, because they hear the word level, right? Because there's 3 entry points into Infinity processing system. You can come in at a $50, I don't want to call it level because it throws people off. They're like, level? What's the level? What level? Right? You can come in at $50 and that will get you a certain amount of training, which is good. Even the $50 training is good, right? The $50, that will allow you to be able to earn $50 unlimited commissions. So if you come in at $50, you're going to get your training. It's going to show you how to start marketing the system where you're going to earn 100% instant commission sent to, you know, your Cash App, your PayPal, your Stripe account. And you can earn $50 all day, every day. It's that simple. All right. Then there's a second tier. I don't want to say tier. It throws people off. They be like, tier? What's a tier? I ain't messing with no tier. No. All right. There's a second package. Yeah, I'll say that. You can come in at $150. $150 is going to get you more training, right, than at the $50 level. But it allows you now to be able to earn $50 or up to $150 commissions. So you're an affiliate, you're promoting Infinity processing system, and somebody comes along and they decide to get the $50 starter level package, right? You earn $50. And then somebody else the next day come, they don't want to do the 50. They want to come in at the $150 package. So you'll get $150 commission, right? Because you're at that level. Now there's the third option, which is coming in at the pro level. And this is a one-time payment of $300, which people don't understand. People just don't get it. At $300, you're actually having an online business. A complete business is ready for you to go for only $300, right? But $300 will allow you to, you get all of the training, right? You get the $50 level training, the $150 level training, and you get obviously the $300 level training. So you get everything, right? But now when you're at the pro package, when you have that package, now you can earn instant commissions at the $50 level, $150 level, and the $300 level. All right. So when you think about multi-level marketing, people think, all right, so I got to recruit people, right? Right? I got to recruit people, and then they got to, for me to make money, I got to recruit people, and then them people got to start making money by recruiting other people, and it goes down. No, damn it, no. Right? If you want to hop in on IPS, you get the product, you promote it, period, and you get straight money. You don't have to recruit people. You do not have to recruit people to sell IPS for you. Your job is to sell the program if you want. The cool thing about IPS is the information inside of the program, no matter what level you at, the $50, the $150 level, or the $300 level, you can actually use that marketing training to promote any product that you want. You don't have to. A lot of people get it confused. Like, oh, so I have to promote IPS. I highly suggest it because the earning potential is crazy, right? But you don't have to. It's real online marketing training inside the course. So why I always promote IPS is because it's a standalone program. Say you just didn't even want to promote IPS. You didn't want to promote Infinity Processing System. You ain't into it. The $300 level training, really any level training, that actually is worth it alone without you even, promoting a system. And that's what a lot of people don't understand. About IPS, it's online education. It teaches you current, up-to-date marketing strategies to make money as an affiliate, as an online entrepreneur. That is what this system is. So multi-level marketing, network marketing, nothing wrong with it if you want to get into that. But that really requires you building teams and the person, two people underneath you need to be grinding for you to see money. No, when you jump into the system, the earning potential is based on you, right? What you doing, right? How much are you marketing on Facebook? How much are you doing on YouTube, Instagram? It's all on you, right? So you don't have to depend on other people for you to make money with IPS, all right? So if you want more information on Infinity Processing System, or if you want to join the IPS team, you can do so right now by clicking the first link in the video description. I almost forgot what I was saying. All right. Once you join the team, you're going to see how powerful this is. And you can actually connect with me and ask me any questions about IPS, and I will help you get started and help you get started with earning commissions and all of that good stuff. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.